The elevation on this one is so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Right, look at those pitches along the roof, all of those small windows, right? That's all a part of the, what I'm looking at is the elevation of a home, right? Builders can have the same floor plan, but they'll put a different face or elevation on it, and it'll give it a different character, right? But this is a really great premium builder here in North Texas. They're a small local builder, and they have home sites. They have communities all throughout North Texas, but this community is starting in the mid 300s. They're the type of builder where you get to design your home. They have garden tubs, home offices. I've sold lots of their homes over the years, and families really enjoy them. All right, so let's go see. I want to minimize my phone being out here in this. Let me show y'all. This is a really great new community. All right, you can see what some of the homes down there look like. All right, so they got all the brick laid out. This is going to have a brick and stone elevation. Right, it'll be brick and stone elevation. All right, they are just getting started here. Okay. You see, they just got past the mechanical stage. They have the AC installed upstairs, all the electrical components, but you can kind of see. How's my, do I need to clean my camera? Let's see. I'm a lot conscious of that now. I realize oftentimes when I'm recording, I have a dirty, we use our phone so much. Okay. Is that better? Okay. Right, but a really great entry. Notice it's going to have really tall ceilings. Right over to the right is the home office. This one is a 4-bedroom. Right, these are my out-of-state clients. They're relocating here from, oh, let me not, I've told the wrong city once before. I cannot remember. What city is it? I can't remember. Indiana. They're in Indiana. Indiana. This is a double veteran family. Right, so this is going to be that. This is going to be really nice. You can see that bar. Right, there'll be kitchen cabinets alongside that back wall there. You can see this archway here. Isn't that awesome? You see these archways, these art niches. There's going to be one there in the entry as well, and then one here. This is the formal dining room. Right? Isn't that groovy? You can use it as a formal dining. You can also use it as a office if you like. Right? But it is the dining. But they also have a eat-in kitchen over here. Right, the eat-in kitchen. So you have a breakfast nook over here. Right. There's going to have a fireplace. Right, there's the fireplace. It's all part of that living area. This is going to lead to the owner's retreat. Notice the owner's retreat has a little entry as you go into it, and then as you see this nook right here, this is going to be a little decorative art niche. Could be really good to put a family portrait, a portrait of the couple, or something pretty. Right, here's the owner's retreat. Y'all, can y'all notice this green at the bottom? Can you notice this green? Right, this is a mosquito repellent, right? Lots of builders use this. Right here in Texas, termites can be problematic. And so what happens is they'll spray the bottom of your home with this termite, and it prevents this termite treatment, so it prevents them from coming and eating up on your house, right? But really nice owner's retreat. You're going to have the garden tub and shower, his and hers. Right, they got the tub in. The shower's gonna have a bench. Right, that's gonna be nice. Did it freeze again? It froze again? Hey, Miss Sandra, girl, this your house. This is your house. I told you I was going to get out here this week. This is your house. And here's your walk-in closet. This community is really nice, though. It's really nice. This awesome covered patio. Where y'all gonna be grilling some Texas barbecue. All right, remember your house kind of sits at an angle. So their backyard, I don't know how they're gonna do this fence line, because theirs is at an angle. It'd be a nice sized backyard though, even if they came halfway like here. It's gonna be pretty nice. And then it's good space in between the homes. Really good space in between the homes. Well, I'm glad I got my boots on today. Right, this yard is a mess here, but they will get it leveled and flat and graded, and they will plant some new grass. But guys, when you purchase a new home, especially that first year, if you notice, this was just all farmland. This was raw vacant land. When you get a new home, you really want to treat it for weeds that first year, because what happened is all these little things that's been growing for years, they'll try to pop up and they'll ruin your nice new sod. So you want to really treat it hard that first year. Felt like I missed something I showed. Yes, I have. Am I in there? And then on this hallway, you're gonna have a little coat closet here, coat closet there. You have these 2 bedrooms here. Tall ceilings. That's what's really gonna be nice about this home, the tall ceilings. You know, Miss Sandra, I'm wondering, are their ceilings taller than that other community, their sister community y'all were considering? I'm wondering if their ceilings are a little taller. They sure appear taller. I may be wrong. But you know the quality that this builder does, so elevation is what's so nice. So you have that 1, 2, yeah, because you can use that as the bedroom, and then you have this formal, office over, dining over here. So they're getting after it. And hopefully she'll be ready for y'all this fall. Did you get to talk to your realtor up there? You didn't fill me in. I hope y'all got a really good plan. Sure y'all do. Ooh, you're gonna have these little steps leading up to your house. So you can tell, ooh, I love this. Your front yard's gonna be pretty nice as well. Looky here. But the neighborhood is awesome. Let me drive it a little bit for you. I know when I got the other agent to help you, Miss Sandra, y'all didn't really get to see the neighborhood. Let you see what the neighborhood looks like. Right, but there she is again. Show you what their Yeah, their elevations are taller than the other community that we saw. I'm looking at them now. Yeah, I'm looking at them now. I think their elevations are taller. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But let me just show you what some of their homes look like. That's going to be one of your neighbors. This is one.